however impenetrable narcissists may pretend to be. No matter how much they hide behind their masks and pretend that they are the strongest, they still have points that drive them crazy. There are buttons within them. If these buttons are pushed correctly, they reach a point of craziness. So, what are these things that drive them crazy? Let's find that out in today's video. Hi, I am Danish, a narcissistic abuse recovery professional, and today I'll be talking about 7 things that drive narcissists crazy for real. If you're someone who is new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, please make sure that you subscribe by pressing that subscribe button and pushing that bell icon so that you stay updated with everything latest that I post here on this channel. Let's begin. Number 1. Saying no to their demands. Narcissists expect complete obedience and compliance from you. They do not expect you to say no ever to anything that they have asked from you. In their mind and in their thinking, you are like a money dispenser machine that has to be giving and giving all the time without they making any effort to refill you. They have zero concern for the kind of damage that you go through or you experience because of this unstoppable need for supply. You are seen and assumed that you have, unlimited, infinite capacity to give, and they keep taking to the point where you are drained completely, left with nothing. Number 2, ignoring them intentionally or accidentally. Ignoring a narcissist is like starving them for real. It is the ultimate starvation that a narcissist can ever go through because they function and thrive on attention, admiration, and adoration, whether positive or negative. They just need it. It's like the blood supply that keeps the leech alive. I have been using this metaphor for a long time now. So, attention, your attention especially, is what keeps them going, is what they want from you. And if you withhold it, intentionally or accidentally, you give them a narcissistic injury. And when you give them narcissistic injury, it elicits narcissistic rage. And they try to punish you by withholding affection, by abusing you via money, by doing things to bring you down and beat you there. Number 3, not making them your first and only priority. They hate to see their supply being connected, being supported, and being a part of other people's life. They hate to see you around other people and giving them attention, because the presumption is all the attention that you have to give is theirs to take. So no one can claim it. And if you are found with someone else, for example, if there is a good friend in your life, the narcissist would be pathologically envious and jealous towards them because they do not want you to be connected with anyone else except them. They want you to fully and completely depend on them only, because that gives them the ultimate authority over your life and over you. That gives them the ultimate control. They cannot tolerate to see their toy in someone else's hands. This is why all the smear campaigning happens at the first place. This is why the triangulation, visible, invisible, covert, overt, takes place to isolate you, to corner you, and then make you dependent on them. Because once they see you dependent on them, seeking their attention, seeking their support, that is what feeds them. That is something that gives meaning to their existence. That is meaningless in itself. Before we move on to the next 4 things, I am really curious to know about your experience. What are the things that drove the narcissist you were with crazy, and how did they handle it? Post your experiences in comments below and expand the knowledge. Number 4, seeing you living your life to the fullest and not needing your validation. Seeing you struggle and suffer is what feeds the narcissist's sadism. It is what makes them feel in control. It gives them the sense of power. And to see you thrive is one of their worst nightmares. They want you to depend on them. They want you to suffer in the darkness that they are suffering in already. so that they can, feed on your light that you have to offer. They cannot tolerate to see you rising above them in the level of, freedom, internal and external freedom as well. They cannot see it, which is why they have to keep you there to make you suffer, to feel in control, to feel that they are alive, to feel that there is some meaning to their existence. Your freedom and independence is death to their ego. Number 6, proving that you are better at anything than them. Competence is in a narcissist's blood. They're like a 5-year-old who has to defeat you in everything to feel better about themselves. It is rooted in a deep sense of inadequacy and incompetence. Once you are better at even the simplest things like cooking, dancing, or something like that, instead of learning from you, instead of taking you as an inspiration, they start competing with you. And you really wonder what this hell is all about. Instead of seeing you as a child, a partner, a friend, they start seeing you as an enemy they have to defeat to feel better about themselves. Number 7, not believing their lies. They gaslight, manipulate, lie, and do all of those dirty things with the intention that you are going to get trapped in this web that they weave around you. And once you deflect this mental sorcery and refuse to believe, they become rageful. They are filled with anger, resentment towards you for daring to go, in an opposite direction than what they had decided for you. And they start punishing you. They start stepping up in their abuse. Clearly, narcissists are driven by hate, envy, jealousy, greed, and whatnot. And if they fail at getting whatever they want to get, whatever they want to succeed at, that drives them crazy. Those are the points that drive them crazy. I hope today I was able to help you understand the things that drive narcissists crazy for real. I'll talk with you very soon in the next video or the podcast if you're listening to this on a podcast platform. Till then, let the healing begin.